This is a 2004 Honda CRF70. It needed a new top end, and that is a Chinese knockoff from Amazon. $60. I'll put a link in the description. It's not too bad. It was smoking like crazy, and the piston is kind of in bad shape, but everything else looked okay. Oddly enough, about 55 pounds of compression, and with the new Chinese top end, still about the same amount of compression, but doesn't smoke a single puff. So that's a win. Like I said, engine's cold. No choke. It had a little bit of valve train noise initially. Once the valves were adjusted to the stock specs, all the valve train noise went away. So factory specs were not dialed into the replica, unfortunately. But much better now. So all in all, for $60, worked out okay. We'll see what the longevity is. Only time will tell. I'll report back after, I don't know, let's say a year. So I'll see you guys next November.